YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy Hezzy, back with another video. As you can see, we got the HELLCAT in the garage. Cold February day, it's snowing outside early. Got it just above 3 degrees in here. It's not warm out here at all. In today's video, we are gonna be doing a couple installs. I got 2 cosmetic installs. 2 cosmetic mods I'm gonna do, and then I've got 1 performance mod. This is actually gonna be my first performance mod I'm gonna do on the HELLCAT. So I'm gonna record all that. Let me show y'all what I got though. All right, YouTube, so this is gonna be our first cosmetic mod of today's install video. We've got 4 smoked out side markers for the front and the rear. So the fronts are going to be amber and the rear is going to be red. So that's going to look cool. That's going to be probably our second install. The first thing we're going to do is put this big ass intake on from K&N, part number right here. To any of y'all out there interested in getting this intake as well. Yep. But yeah, I got another cosmetic mod I'm gonna do. I'm gonna save that to the end of the video though. I'm not telling y'all what that is, so if y'all wanna know what that is, you just gotta watch the video and stay tuned to find out what it is. So that's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna get the cars moved. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I always say that. I end up not taking crazy long on the installs. But I say that and I could take all night. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. All right, so y'all, as we can see, we got the HELLCAT moved inside. Let's go ahead and get this hood popped so we can start getting on our first mod of the day, or the night, I should say. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this screw right here. We're gonna remove this screw, this screw, this screw. We're gonna undo this IAT sensor. We're gonna unscrew this. We're gonna unscrew this, and we're gonna undo this. And the entire intake should come off. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set the phone up, time lapse it so y'all can see it, and I'll be back. right, y'all, so I just finished up the intake. As you can see, we got it all screwed in. We got the sensors reconnected, the IIT sensor, the mass airflow sensor, and we got everything tightened up. Yeah, I can't cap. That install was, I don't know, it was weird because, like, let me show you. So on the parts guide, there's this coupling right here, letter B, and then there's another one right here, letter B as well. My kit actually didn't come with a second B coupling right here. I got my first one right here, but as far as my second one, I had to improv and use my OEM intake, which came off like the end of this. But I think honestly, that's what I was supposed to do because I got this little plug right here. And I was like, damn, where the fuck does this go? It goes in the factory one because there's not a second one. So yeah, once I figured that out, I got it moving and it's all snug, it's tight. So yeah, man. First performance mod in the HELLCAT is complete. Not gonna lie, I don't have time to do the side skirts tonight. I'll probably have to pick that up tomorrow, as well as with the other cosmetic fantasy mods. So I'm gonna end this video here, but I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow. So stay tuned, keep watching.
Tomorrow.
All right, as you can see, we're back in the garage. It is day two of our first actual mod day, but we're not doing any performance mods today. We did our performance mod yesterday, as I said earlier in the video. We're gonna be doing the second and third cosmetic mods to the HELLCAT. So y'all stay tuned, I'm gonna get the car moved, and yeah. All right, YouTube, so as you can see, we've got these OEM plain ass, ooga booga ass side markers on the HELLCAT. I don't like them. So that's what we're about to change right now. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all the process. Like, look, this one don't even work. What the hell? Yeah, we're about to get all this shit situated. Y'all stay tuned, and yeah. All right, y'all, so as you can see, we just got the first side marker installed. Check that out. I didn't record it because I was low-key stressing about this one because the original one wasn't on, but it just had a disconnected connector. So I just plugged it in the new one, and bam. So now I'm about to set the phone up and do the other three, and y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna catch y'all later. All right, y'all, so we have just completed our side marker install. Let's give a look at all the sides.
It's one of the best scientific minds we have today.
It's really not that hard to do. Literally took me less than 10 minutes to get it done on 4 sides. You really don't even need tools to do it. Well, you might need tools on the front, but the back two on a Challenger, you don't need tools at all. I only needed to use a flathead on this one just because my connector was a little bit broke, but still I got the light to work, so yeah. If I can do it, you can do it too. Anyway, we got one more mod we're about to do, and then I'm gonna wrap up this video, and yeah, so y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so if you haven't put together yet, this is the secret mod I was keeping from y'all. In the HELLCAT, the HELLCAT, you know what I mean, the ghost. All right, YouTube, that's gonna do it for this video. If you like this video, you watched all the way to the end, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment, let me know what you think about the whip. I'm bringing more content to y'all every day. Also, don't forget to subscribe for your boy. We are on the road to 200 subscribers. When we get to 200 subs, I'm gonna go cut some pipes. Make sure you leave a like on the video for your boy. Make sure you do that for your boy. Fuck, nigga. Just like the fucking video. And if you did like the video and you already liked it, and you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Subscribe right now, bro. We're on the road to 200 subs, bro. We need 200 subs. If I get 200 subs, I'm gonna get a muffler delete on the cat. On the cat. If I get 200 subs, the next mod I do is a muffler delete. So y'all give me the 200, and that video is gonna be dropping soon. I'm gonna catch y'all.